Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Here XRP continues to follow the Elliott Wave count perfectly. We talked about this as an A, B, C, D, E triangle, where the wave 4 here will be finished when the wave E peaks, and then we can see a sell-off in a wave 5. So that would indicate wave D should now be finished. If it drops lower, then we are probably looking at something different here. Wave D cannot go below wave B in this scenario, so it will be remaining interesting. So again, a move below 30 cents here, or 30.5 cents, would invalidate the triangle as it is, and we would need to entertain here a different idea. For now, I remain with this view, and in a triangle formation as it is outlined here, we would now need to see some upside that might have already started and see a move up in a wave E. Now the wave E doesn't need to be long. What I could imagine is that we are getting here somewhere into the region of the 32 cent range, where we are retesting this trend line from below that we broke below, okay? So we can count the wave here as complete to the downside. We've made our wave A, we made our wave B, and the wave C within wave D, because the wave D is a 3-wave move, A, B, C. We can count that as 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would not be too likely, in my opinion, that we are dropping even lower. If we do, it's not that scenario anymore, okay? So even here we have a double bottom, possible reversal pattern. And best indication, in my opinion, that wave E has started would be first a move above this 31.5 cent level, exactly where we now are. And then 31.8 is the other swing high. And then we move up in a wave E, and that would be another ABC pattern, but it doesn't need to be long. It doesn't need to be long, and then at any point in time we need to be on high alert and need to be ready that we're moving down. Again, then best indication that this last sell-off has started. That would take us below, here below 28.7 cents. That would be a move below the wave D low. So let's say we move up in an E first and then come down in a D, break below the wave D low and the wave B low, which would mean 30.5 cents. Yeah, if we go below 30.5, then we are in the sell-off scenario here. But first we need to make the wave E move up, then the sell-off down. And that would be a 5-wave move to the downside, and that could complete the overall sell-off for XRP. So this is currently how I still see it. We've adhered to it very well. Yeah, up here I told you wave C could be finished. I originally thought it would be a little bit higher, but so far it's adhered then to the sell-off scenario in the wave D very well in a 3-wave move, A, B, C. And we would be waiting for the wave E to the upside, which can be very short. So personally, I wouldn't go long here. I wouldn't trade it. I would wait for a bearish reaction. And then a possibility is, and I'm not telling you to do it, it's just a possibility to short it when the sell-off is ongoing. Now, is there a bullish scenario? Yes, of course there is. For me, very unlikely. And I told you before, I would only really, entertain this idea if we go above here. Where is it? If we go above the 38.7 cent level, if we break above the wave A high, only then we can entertain a more bullish scenario. Other than that, yeah, I would go with rather here with the more bearish scenario. Okay, so this is one bearish scenario. There's another one where we are not in a triangle formation, but where indeed we are already starting the sell-off. It's a bit similar to the ETH bearish scenario here in a 1 and a 2, and we are already coming down in a wave 3, moving up in a 4 and a 5. That is the alternative bearish scenario if we go straight away below the wave B and without making a wave E high. So if we see that wave B high broken, which is 30.5 cents, then I think we are here in the wave 3 down, and then we're looking at prices for that wave, and that would be quite bearish, to be honest. Then we would be looking here, I'll adjust it in a second, but roughly, yeah, 1 sec, just need to go up a bit. Then we would be looking here at prices, yeah, of around 22.5 cents for the wave 3. So we could see a below 20 cent XRP in the worst case, if this is that scenario here. Because the wave 1 is so long, then the wave 2 up and the wave 3 down would then have to be at least the 1.618 extension. So this is where we currently are. 2 bearish scenarios, 1 bullish one, which is unlikely, which I would only entertain if we go above that 38.7 cent level, or 38.7. Other than that, the bearish ones here remain primary. And I've never really shown you a bearish scenario here anyway, so everybody should be prepared for this sell-off. And I'm going to update you. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.